Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? Now, today what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the cryptocurrency. So what I'm actually going to show you guys is the best place, in my personal opinion, to be able to consistently buy cryptocurrencies, okay? Some of you may already know what this is, but then again, some of you may not. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the best exchange to be able to buy your cryptocurrency from on a consistent basis, the safest way. I'll see you guys on the next clip. Peace. Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Official Tyree Samuels. Before y'all go any further, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I want you guys to stay up to date every time I drop a video, which is damn near every day for the most part. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, as I spoke on the first clip, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market, one of the best exchanges that you guys can consistently buy your crypto from. So I know most of you have probably already heard of Coinbase, okay? And if you've heard of Coinbase, what I would like you to do is look up here at the top. I'm actually drop a YouTube video link up here, which I actually did a video going over how to be able to actually utilize Coinbase. So make sure y'all go tap into that video for your boy. And after y'all tap into that, then y'all are going to see how this may be something that you prefer. Okay, so this is going to be Coinbase Pro, as you saw in the title, right? Now, the actual website technically is pro.coinbase.com. Okay, so pro.coinbase.com. Now, this is going to be like the little or big brother of regular Coinbase, the app, which most people use, okay? Regular Coinbase also has a desktop version, but Coinbase Pro is going to be where you really want to be able to be at with it, in my personal opinion. I'm going to give you a few examples why, okay? So whenever we initially look at pro.coinbase.com, the first thing I want to be able to show you guys is how to actually utilize this platform. So I understand that all these numbers that are moving nonstop may give some of y'all anxiety, may confuse some of y'all. I want you guys to not be as concerned about these numbers, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to be able to simply go purchase cryptocurrency, right? So the first thing that you want to be able to do is when you look up here where it says BTC USD, the first thing you want to do is before you actually go about purchasing the crypto, you want to make sure which crypto are you trying to purchase, right? So it's usually going to be pre-selected on Bitcoin, obviously, because that's the biggest, most popular coin, okay? But if I actually click on where it says select market, it's going to give me the ability to actually choose and or type in the name of a crypto, okay? So you can see that they already have BTC, Ethereum, Tether, Cardano, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Tezos, Solana, so on and so forth, okay? So on and so forth. So that's going to be how you go about finding it. So we'll just go ahead and click Bitcoin, right? Actually, we'll go ahead and select Ethereum, okay? We'll go ahead and select Ethereum. Now, the next thing that we actually want to be able to do is we want to be able to actually figure out how can we deposit money into this exchange so that we can obviously start buying crypto, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on where it says deposit, right? Now, after you click on where it says deposit, I'm going to recommend that you select where it says United States dollars, okay? So where it says United States dollars, you're going to click on that, okay? After you click on that, you can do whatever you want to do. The best recommendation, which is free, is going to be linking your bank account, okay? Now, strong recommendation. Some of you guys that have credit unions, some of the credit unions may or may not be offered on this exchange. So if that does, what's the word I'm looking for? So if that does relate to you, just make sure you have a major bank. If your credit union is not offered, like a Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, things of that nature. A wire transfer, as you see, is going to be a $10 individual fee per transaction. So we don't want to do that, okay? And whenever you click this, it's going to get you to type in the dollar amount that you want. Obviously, once you determine the dollar amount, then obviously move forward and go ahead and deposit the funds. Now, the funds are immediately deposited into the account, okay? So what I currently have available is going to be about $30.75, which I can use to be able to purchase crypto, right? Now, the way that you're going to purchase it is you're going to look under where it says order form, okay? Now, underneath where it says order form, it should already be pre-selected on buy, right? Now, I had selected limit, but on yours, it should be pre-selected on buy. It should also be pre-selected on market, okay? So all you're really going to be doing is once you select the crypto, you're simply going to come to where it says amount. You're going to type in the dollar amount. So for me, I'm going to do $5, okay? So I'm going to click place buy order. But before I do that, I want to pay attention to this information down here. Now, this is saying that it's going to be a 3-cent fee. So that technically means if I'm buying $5 of Ethereum, technically I would have $4.97 after it's all said and done because they charge a 3-cent fee. Okay. Every exchange is going to charge a fee. So it's not really a way to avoid it, but there are exchanges like this one that have cheaper fees. Okay. And this is going to tell you in total the amount of Ethereum that you're actually going to be purchasing, which I don't know how to factor in that number, but it's a smaller amount of Ethereum. The current price is about $2,700. So yeah, if you were to type in like $2,800, that would, minus the fee, that would essentially give you about an entire Ethereum. So you guys definitely want to be able to make sure that you're consistently purchasing crypto. My personal recommendation, I usually tell people, if you can start investing $5 to $10 a day on something as simple as like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll be able to start seeing results over the course of a few months, right? Maybe a year or two. Obviously, if you have more than $5 to $10, then definitely do that. But this is how you guys are actually going to be able to, go about purchasing cryptocurrency. Right now, this is going to be doing it by market. What does by market mean? By market means you're buying the price of the crypto, right, at whatever pricing point it is at. So if I'm about to go buy $5, I'm buying $5 of the collective amount, which is $2,700. So all I would do is click place buy order. As you guys see, they're going to deduct the $5 from my account balance right here. They're going to put it right here where it says open orders. Here's your open order. And then eventually it will get filled and then this will then disappear. So that's how you guys are going to be able to use Coinbase Pro to be able to purchase crypto by market. Remember, market means the current price that the market is at. Now, the other way that you guys can do is a limit order. Now, a limit order is definitely going to be for people, that are a little bit more experienced, more so for people that are maybe not as serious about it. It's more of like a hobby or something like that. You just want to stick to the market. But for the limit, this will be pretty cool for individuals that are more experienced. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find another example. So I'm going to go look at Cardano, okay? Let's go look at Cardano, right? Now, if you go about setting a limit order, this is what I want you guys to be able to understand with Cardano, right? Setting a limit order is going to essentially work like this, right? I'm going to type in the amount of Cardano that I want to be able to purchase, right? So if Cardano is currently $1.38, I can say I want to buy 2 Cardano, okay? I want to buy 2, right? Which would be whatever $1.38 times 2 is, okay? Now, the limit price. So this is the amount of Cardano I want to buy in the total amount, okay? The limit price is going to represent what price do I want them to execute the buy, okay? If I'm doing market, it would just be buying it at $1.38. If I'm doing a limit, I can actually set it for a cheaper price. Example, if I predict for whatever reason that Cardano may, drop to $1.20 again, I could be like, you know what? I want to be able to set this limit for $1.20, okay? Meaning, if it does drop to that price, it will be a 1-cent fee whenever they fulfill my order. And on top of that, it will cost me $2.41 because $1.20 times 2 is going to be $2.40. So that's how you guys are going to be able to actually place a market idea. That's how you guys are going to be able to place a limit idea. Now, whenever you want to be able to withdraw, right? Obviously, you would click on where it says withdraw, and then you would go about the steps to be able to withdraw. So as you see, you would decide on what you actually want to withdraw, right? And then you'll pretty much go from there, okay? The next thing would be sell. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The sell is going to be the exact same process as the buy. But to be honest, depending on if you're long-term or short-term, I'm not even going to go over a sell because I don't want to recommend out of my mouth me telling you to sell any of your assets. I'm just going to tell you to buy them, okay? So all in all, guys, this is exactly how you use Coinbase Pro. This is how you process a market order. This is how you process a limit order, how you deposit, how you're able to pick the currency pair that you want to be able to utilize. And then to take it a little bit further, I'm not going to pull this up because I don't need y'all up in my business now. But if you click on where it says portfolios, it's actually going to show you the collective portfolio of the cryptos that you purchase on this exchange, okay? So within this exchange, if you buy $100 of Bitcoin, if you click on portfolio, it will show $100 of Bitcoin relative to wherever the market's fluctuation rate is currently at, okay? It also tell you how much money is in Bitcoin out of your total investment portfolio. So if you've bought Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, but you have more Bitcoin than the rest of them, it'll say, like 55% of your total holdings are in Bitcoin, so that you guys will know exactly what do I have the majority of my money in, okay? Now, orders is going to be pretty much whenever you place an order, this is where they're going to go. So after you place an order, either by market or by sell limit or buy limit, you want to be able to click on orders. And whenever you do that, it's going to actually show you all the orders that you've placed. Now, with that being said, guys, this video was short, but I hope it was effective. And if it was, let me get y'all to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, because like I said, I want you guys to be able to get wealthy with me, which is why I'm posting these videos at such a high rate, because I don't want to leave nobody behind, right? Now, the next thing I would like for y'all to do is make sure you like, comment, share, okay? So that anybody that needs help and needs to know how to buy crypto, they have access to this video, because I don't want y'all to be selfish. And then finally, follow your boy on Instagram one more time at official Tyree Samuels. I'm gonna see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you when you want to be you. Peace.